Hi, have you heard about Coach Abdul Academy?
Yeah, I've been seeing it everywhere lately. What's so special about it?
Special? It's on another level. Coach Abdul teaches how to use AI to create videos, digital content, and all the stuff people are struggling with online.
For real? Most places just teach theory, but no practical skills.
That's the difference. His academy is super practical. You learn step by step, from basic digital skills to advanced AI tools. Plus, he shows you how to actually make money with what you learn.
Now that's what I'm talking about. So it's not just learning for learning's sake?
Exactly. It's learning with results. The way he breaks things down is so creative and easy to understand. No boring lectures. Everything feels hands-on.
Wow. I think I need to sign up. Where do I find it?
Simple, just search Coach Abdul Academy. Trust me, your digital future will thank you.